Hey everybody, welcome to another Where's the Gum box break. This is for a group of eBay auctions that ended on February 8th. And we'll do a quick time check here. And it is currently Thursday, February 9th, 2012. The time is 17:21. That is 7:21 here in Texas. Get started with the break here. This is 2011 Crown Royale for a group of eBay auctions that ended last night. And I want to thank everybody for bidding, and also let you know I have some auctions ending tonight. Today's Thursday, and we have a few ending tonight with the new plates and patches, and also 2011 Limited. But alright, we'll go ahead and get started with this one. Thanks to everybody who bid, and good luck to you. Let's see what we have here. Here's our checklist. Alright, and first pack. Looking at one autograph or game used card per pack. Start off with the LeGarrette Blunt base. Philip Rivers die cut number patch, and that is going to be numbered 34 out of 50. Philip Rivers. We have a Living Legends Bobby Bell for the Chiefs. Tyron Smith, rookie for the Cowboys. Arian Foster, All-Pro for the Texans. And Colt McCoy here for the Browns base. So, hit there was the Philip Rivers for the Chargers. Get on to pack 2. We have an Alden Smith blue rookie. That should be numbered to 100, I believe. 31 out of 100. And then we have a Daquan Bowers auto rookie. That'll be numbered to 499. Daquan Bowers for the Bucks. We have rookie royalty, Darrell Jernigan for the Giants. J.J. Watt rookie for the Texans. Franco Harris for the Steelers. And Mark Sanchez for the Jets. Alright, this pack feels a little thick. Let's see what we got in here. We have a Chad Henne base card, and we have a redemption here. It is, let me get that in focus for you. It's going to be the rookie patch signature rookie gold die cut signature prime materials card 233. Come back to that after we're done with this pack. We got Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jaguars. Ryan Kerrigan for the Redskins rookie. Kings of the NFL, Michael Turner. And a Pierre Garçon base. So we're looking at number 233. Get our player checklist. 233. It's going to be Stephen Ridley. There is Patriots, as long as I'm not getting confused with somebody else. So Stephen Ridley rookie patch signature gold die cut prime materials. pack here. Alright, we got a Crown Jewel rookie, Kyle Rudolph for the Vikings. And we have a John Brody for the 49ers, royalty. And that is numbered 96 out of 99. Peyton Manning calling all captains. Martell's Wilson, rookie for the Saints. Mike Thomas, the zone for the Jaguars, and Matt Ryan for the Falcons. So quick recap of the hits. We got the John Brody jersey card, Quan Bowers for the Buccaneers auto, the Phillip Rivers die cut card there, 34 out of 50, and the Stephen Ridley RPS rookie gold die cuts signature prime materials. Alright guys, thanks for watching, congratulations, and to everyone that got a hit, and be sure to check out these other box breaks I have going on tonight. Thanks.